As the popularity of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, surges, Coinbase is at the forefront of the cryptocurrency industry. So after the company's hyped IPO, is Coinbase stock a buy or sell in the current stock market correction? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Meister, where we tell you all the latest news about your favorite crypto coins. In today's video, we are going to talk about whether Coinbase stock is a buy right now as Bitcoin rallies above $43,000. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Coinbase Global Incorporated is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, based on daily volume. Based on some recent data from CoinMarketCap, Coinbase occupied the number 7 position, accounting for $4.3 billion worth of daily volume. But it's still far behind the leader Binance, which accounted for about $21.4 billion in daily volume. Perhaps no other topic in finance received more attention in 2021 than cryptocurrencies. These digital assets have the potential to disrupt not only the concept of money itself, but also a whole range of industries and profit pools. This budding revolution is also attracting top talent all over the world, which is a positive indicator for its prospects. In order to gain broad exposure to the entire industry, crypto exchange Coinbase immediately comes to mind as a pick-and-shovel investment idea. However, cryptocurrencies are a nascent asset class, with the development of real-world uses still in the early stages and speculation driving a lot of the activity today. So, is Coinbase a safe stock to invest in? Let's find out. Coinbase stock has undergone a highly volatile rollercoaster ride recently amid Ukraine and Russian crisis. Therefore, investors who want to gain exposure to coin stock should consider its inherent volatility. Notably, the recent volatility in Bitcoin and Ethereum have also affected coin stock. It also sent coin stock to its all-time lows recently. Analysts expect the Coinbase IPO to give the cryptocurrency market increased validation, according to Wedbush analyst Dan Ives, who wrote in a note to clients. The Coinbase IPO is potentially a watershed event for the crypto industry and will be something the street will be laser-focused on to gauge investor appetite. Coinbase is a foundational piece of the crypto ecosystem and is a barometer for the growing mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and crypto for the coming years. So, how does Coinbase make money? Coinbase is the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange. It lists about 50 cryptocurrencies for trading, led by Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to the data from CoinDesk, Bitcoin is the largest digital coin by market value, and Ethereum is down more than 20% in 2022. Coinbase charges fees of several percentage points to deposit funds and trade, which is one of the main ways the company makes money. Roughly 90% of the company's revenue, as of 2020, came from transaction fees from trading and services like storage. In addition, the cryptocurrency exchange reported fourth quarter results from 2021 on February 24, 2022, that topped expectations. Coinbase earned an adjusted $3.32 per share on a revenue of $2.49 billion. Earnings soared 300% year over year, while revenue surged 327% versus the year-ago period. Let's discuss Bitcoin's recent rally and how it might affect Coinbase stock. Crypto is popular in Ukraine and Russia, and Ukraine is ranked 4th on a global adoption index created by Analytics from Chainalysis. A Russian government report estimates that there were more than 12 million cryptocurrency wallets held by Russian citizens, with about 2 trillion rubles, equivalent to about $20 billion. According to Timo Lihes, the co-founder of trading platform Swarm Markets. The situation in Ukraine has brought to light the value of Bitcoin as an alternative monetary network. Therefore, a demand-driven rally specific to Bitcoin is a break from its recent pattern, which has been to trade in line with risk assets like tech stocks. Bitcoin's rally recently wiped away losses for February. Most other cryptocurrencies were higher as well, including Ether, which was up 4.7%, XRP was up 0.7%, Avalanche was up 3.3%, and Cardano was up 0.9%. According to IBD Stock Checkup, Coinbase stock shows a weak 50 out of a perfect 99 IBD composite rating. The composite rating helps investors easily measure a stock's fundamental and technical metrics. Mizuho analyst Don Dolive initiated coverage on the stock with a neutral rating and a 285 price target. Over time, Coinbase pricing and industry pricing in general may face downward pressure from platforms like PayPal and Cash App. Dolev commented, "This is because PayPal and Cash App primarily use their crypto trading products as engagement tools, whereas Coinbase relies on its crypto trading products as its main source of revenue and profitability." Even though Bitcoin and Ethereum are its primary revenue drivers, the company relies on other crypto assets for most of its revenue. For example, Bitcoin and Ethereum accounted for 43% of its FQ321 revenue, down from 50% in its previous year. Furthermore, on a 9-month basis, Bitcoin and Ethereum accounted for 53% of its total revenue, down from 59% in the last year. We think it's consistent with the general trend that crypto investors have broadened their transactions to other crypto assets. Furthermore, Coinbase's business model is profitable, even though its consistency has also been affected by its volatility in its trading volume. The company has also cautioned investors that it's not meaningful to focus on its near-term earnings report. Furthermore, it emphasized that Coinbase's journey in creating its crypto economy is still in the early innings. Therefore, investors should continue to expect volatility between its near-term performances. Now, what are analysts predicting about the future progress of Coinbase stock? There is a mismatch between the Wall Street analytics price target for Coinbase and their expectations of Coin's future revenue growth, notwithstanding positive news flow related to the upcoming launch of its NFT marketplace. Based on the assumption that sell-side targeted prices are usually set with a 1-year time horizon, the market consensus view is that Coinbase's stock price will rise by 89%, from $191.97 as of March 2022 to $362.70 this year. The sell-side analyst, who is the most bearish on Coin, has a price target of $225 for the stock, which equates to a decent 17% upside. On the other hand, the most bullish Wall Street analyst sees Coinbase's shares worth $500, which implies a capital return potential of as much as 161%. The market currently values Coinbase at consensus forward FY 2022 and FY 2023 price to sales multiply of 5.8 times and 5.3 times respectively, based on financial data sourced from S&P Capital IQ. Although Coin's valuation doesn't appear to be excessive, there is a significant uncertainty over the company's future revenue outlook. So is Coinbase stock a buy right now? Coinbase rallied 0.55% recently and the price of Bitcoin advanced more than 5%, trading around $43,400 according to CoinDesk. A look at the daily chart shows that Coinbase stock price is still under pressure despite the recent rebound. It is still below the 25 and 50-day exponential moving averages. In the short term, it may hover around the psychological level of $200 as it finds resistance along the 25-day EMA at $207.96. Subsequently, it will likely be range-bound over the ensuing sessions, with the range's lower border at the support level of $175.52. With additional bullish momentum, the Coinbase share price may reach $250 in the coming months. The level has been a crucial zone for Nasdaq Coin since May 2021. Nonetheless, the bulls will need to break the resistance along with the 50-day EMA at $226.50. On the flip side, a decline past the range's lower border may place it at a support zone of $160. According to Wallet Investor, Coinbase stock price prediction for 2025 is rather bearish. The coin expects the crypto exchange's share price to be at a maximum of $155.40 at the beginning of 2025. By mid-2025, it forecasts a further decline at $147.12 and $137.11 by the end of the year. While the firm's Coinbase stock price prediction for 2025 is viable, it is important to note that analysts can be wrong in their forecasts. As such, it is crucial to conduct individual research on the asset. Besides, sticking to the adopted trading strategy and evaluating the risk appetite will help avoid hefty losses. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. And thank you for watching.